Good morning everyone, and today we've got some exciting news, diving into the newly revealed LEGO Fortnite sets. In recent years, LEGO has ventured into a number of gaming related themes including Animal Crossing, Mario, Sonic the Hedgehog and Overwatch. But one important gaming asset has vanished. Until now, Fortnite. 4 brand new LEGO Fortnite sets that will go on sale the 1st of October. These will only be available at LEGO stores and on the LEGO website at first, but starting in January next year they will be sold by other toy stores. First up we have set 77070, the Durr Burger. With a piece count of 193 pieces and priced at $15, this set, which includes the recognizable Durr Burger from Fortnite, is the smallest and possibly the weakest of the wave. Although it embodies the spirit of the game, it is a little frustrating that there are no minifigures included in this set. Nonetheless, it's not a bad deal considering the amount of bricks that are included. Next up is set 77071, the Loot Llama. With a piece count of 691 and priced at $40, the Loot Llama is an excellent deal with about 700 pieces, making it a substantial build, and it's an intricate recreation of the well-known Fortnite Treasure Llama. Complete with a grapnel gun and chug jug among the many equipment pieces that you can build, the build itself is outstanding even without minifigures. Of course, then we have one of my favourites from this wave, is set number 77072, the Buildable Peely. With a mighty piece count of 1404 bricks with a price to match at $100, possibly influenced by the art of Jason Freeney, Peely, a well-known Fortnite character, is a huge buildable piece included in this 18+ collection. Peely is a large intricate model and stands on a black display stand with a plaque. Creating a striking display piece is regrettably devoid of minifigures. Its construction and design are impressive nonetheless. And finally, one of the most iconic sets, 77073, the Battle Bus. No, it doesn't transform. I'm still waiting on Hasbro to make a transformer figure of the Battle Bus. With a piece count of 954 pieces and priced at $100, this is probably the most anticipated set in the wave. There are 9 collector minifigures in this set, each with a distinct mold and intricate printing. Battle Bus itself is a large heavy vehicle with the roof being able to be lifted off that allows minifigures to be placed inside. This set wonderfully captures the essence of Fortnite and is a must have for both play and display. Apparently there will also be a gift with purchase set 40728 with 151 pieces available starting the 1st of October. I'm making the assumption that this could be a Fortnite themed object or maybe even a brickhead set, hopefully the latter. In general, the initial batch of LEGO Fortnite sets is not that impressive. The smaller, weaker sets would have been much more appealing if they had included more minifigures, but the Battle Bus set more than makes up for this with a great assortment. These sets open the door for upcoming waves and possibly even minifigure series. The Buildable Peely will draw devoted fans, but the Battle Bus and Loot Llama are probably going to be the best sellers. What do you think of these new LEGO Fortnite sets? Which ones are you excited for? Let me know in the comment section down below, and as always, thank you very much for watching, and I hope you have a most wonderful day. Bye!